The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, soil moisture sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now log into the blynk.cloud website. Then go to developer zone and here click on new template. Here enter the template name. Soil moisture and temperature monitor. With ESP32 and select the hardware as ESP32 and connection type as Wi-Fi. Then click on the done button. Now go to data streams. Here you need to create 3 variables. The first one is for the soil moisture and second one is for temperature and the third one is for the humidity. Select the virtual pin and enter the variable name as soil moisture and select the pin as V0, data type as double and select the maximum value as 500 or you can enter 1000. If you want you can change the color. Now click create. Now again go to data stream and select the virtual pin. So this is for temperature variable and pin number as V1, data type as double and select the unit as Celsius. And here enter the maximum value as 100. Click on the create button. Now the final one. Again select the virtual pin and here enter the name as humidity. And select the pin as V2, data type as double and maximum value as 100. Now click the create button. Now go to web dashboard and here drag 3 gauge widgets. Now select the settings of the first gauge and here select the data stream as soil moisture. And click on the save button. Now select the second settings. Here select temperature and again click the save button. Now select the settings of the third gauge and here select the data stream as humidity. And click on the save button. Now save the template. Now go to devices, click on new device and then select from template. Here select the template which we created, soil moisture and temperature monitor with ESP32 and then click on the create button. Now copy this template ID, template name and authentication token and paste in your program. And then enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. Now go to tools and select the board as ESP32 Arduino and select ESP32 dev module and then select the port. And now click this arrow button and upload the program to the ESP32 board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board.
Now we can set up the Blynk mobile dashboard. For that, download the BlynkIoT application from the Play Store. Now once you open the application, you can see the template which we created from the Blynk web dashboard. Now click on the template and here go to settings and click the plus button from the bottom and here add 3 gauge widget. Now select the first gauge and select the data stream as soil moisture. Now go to design and give the title. Now go back. Now select the second gauge and here select the data stream as temperature. Go to design and give the title as temperature. Now go back and now select the third gauge and here select the data stream as humidity and go to design and give the title as also humidity. Now go back and again click the back button. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.